So first question is, for a reaction when the concentration of A is 2.2 millimoles, the rate was found to be 2.4. On reducing the concentration of A to half, the rate changes to 0.6. Find the order of reaction with respect to A. क्वेश्चन हमने देख लिया है, जो गिवन है हम वो लिख लेते हैं. हमारे पास कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए हमें दे रखी है विच इज 2.2. हमारे पास उसका रेट भी दे रखा है, रेट ऑफ ए इज 2.4, राइट. हमें दे रखी है ऑन रिड्यूसिंग द कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए टू हाफ, मतलब हमारे पास ए दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज 2, हमारे पास हाफ हो गया, तो 2.2 का हाफ इज 1.1, रेट 1. रेट 2 हमारे पास कितना है विच इज 0.6. We have to calculate the order of a reaction. So order of हमारे पास rate क्या होता है? That is rate is equal to rate constant, concentration of A to the power x, y, z कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. Similarly हमारे पास ये दो equations है, first and second. तो दोनों को divide करते हैं. So rate 1 over rate 2 it is equal to the concentration of A to the power x divided by k concentration of 2 to the power x. तो इसको हम सॉल्व कर लेंगे. सॉल्व करने के बाद हमें R1 पता है विच इज 2.4, R2 इज 0.6, k से k कैंसिल है. कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ A इज 2.2 की पावर x ओवर कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ A2 इज 1.1 की पावर x. So after solving 2.4 over 0.6 is equal to 1 सा 2 सा, तो 2 की पावर x आ गया हमारे पास. तो इसको भी डिवाइड किया हमने, तो हमारे पास आ गया 4 इज इक्वल टू 2 की पावर x. तो वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज 2 की पावर 2 x. तो हमारे पास x कितना आ गया विच इज 2. तो कौन सा ऑर्डर है? दिस इज अ सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन एम्स 2005 में आया गया है, एम्स 2005 में. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द रेट कांस्टेंट k1 एंड k2. हमारे पास रेट कांस्टेंट गिवन है. रेट कांस्टेंट k1 एंड k2 फॉर टू डिफरेंट रिएक्शन इज दिस एंड दिस. मतलब हमें k1 क्या दे रखा है, 10 to the raised power 16 e minus 2000 over t. और हमें k2 क्या गिवन है, 10 to the raised power 15 e minus 1000 over t. और हमें गिवन है that k1 is equal to k2. This thing is given. ये हमें गिवन दे रखा है, मतलब हमारे रेट कांस्टेंट गिवन है. हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, कौन से टेम्परेचर पे द रेट कांस्टेंट k1 एंड k2 आर इक्वल. तो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हम दोनों इक्वेशंस को इक्वल कर देते हैं. एक इक्वेशन है हमारे पास ये वाली एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज दिस वन. तो दोनों को हम इक्वेट कर देते हैं. ओके, सो k1 इज इक्वल टू 10 to the raised power 16 e minus 2000 over t, it is equal to k2 which is 1000 over t. So 10 to the raised power 16 over 10 to the raised power 15 e minus 1000 over t is equal to minus 1000 over t. So 10 is equal to e minus 2000 over t minus 1000 over t. So 10 is equal to over t divided by minus 2000 over t. So after rearranging this, minus 2000 over t is minus 1000 over t. Sorry, ये minus नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. So that is 1000 over t. So 10 is equal to e की power 1000 over t. अब हमें ये exponential remove करना है. So taking log on both side, log e base e लेना है and log e 1000 over t. So we know that cancel out with each other. So log 10 is equal to 1000 over t. तो अगर मुझे log base 10 बनाना है तो 2.303 log base 10 1000 over t. तो अब तो ये सिंपल हो गया. हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, t. So t is equal to over 2.303. log 10 is 1. तो हमारे पास ये आंसर आ गया विच इज 1000/2.303. तो दिस इज इजी, वेरी इजी. तो हम इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इजीली. सो बस हमें ध्यान रखना है कि हमें क्वेश्चन में व्हाट वी हैव गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, that is k1 is equal to k2. After equating in the given equation, just use the mathematical operators to solve this equation, taking log on both sides, base e and then base 10 multiplied with 2.303, and we get the temperature 1000/2.303. Moving on to the next question, that is in a zero order reaction, for every 10-degree rise in temperature, the rate is doubled. Okay. And if the temperature is raised to 10 to 100 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction will become. Okay. So what we have given, देखो हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला होता है which is very important. And this question came in AIPMT 2012 में. So rate of reaction doubles every 10-degree rise in temperature. Increases. So it means temperature coefficient, which is denoted by mu, is equal to 2. This is given in the question. For every 10-degree rise in temperature, the rate is doubled. That is, the temperature coefficient is 2. So we have a very important formula, because हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होगा वहाँ पे solve करने के लिए. We will use this formula, which is increase in rate is equal to mu to the power dt over 10. तो mu हमारे पास है 2. dt is a change in temperature. So dt here is 100 minus 10, which is 90 degree Celsius. तो 90 over 10 हमारे पास आ गया. So 2 की power 9. So what is 2 the power 9, which is 512 times. So हमारे पास आंसर आ गया. The rate of reaction will become 512 when the temperature raises from 10 degree to 100 degree Celsius. तो ये हमारे पास आंसर है. ये फॉर्मूला आप याद रखो. दिस फॉर्मूला इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज इंक्रीज इन रेट, इट इज इक्वल टू temperature coefficient raised to the power dt over 10. 10 by, because every 10 degree rise in temperature. And what is mu? That the rate. The rate is double, so we take 2. Okay. So moving on to the next question. All these questions are previous year questions of medical entrance exam, that is AIPMT, NEET, AIMS. Okay. So next is in a reaction A to B, rate is doubled when the concentration of B is doubled. Second, the rate increased by the factor 8 when the concentration of both the reactant A and B are double. We have to find the rate to expression. Okay. So we know that rate is equal to rate constant A, B to their power, which is x and y. So taking this equation first. Now going according to the question, first they said the rate is doubled, which is rate become 2r when the concentration of B is doubled, which means the concentration of A remains same, but the concentration of B doubles. This is second equation. Now, and the rate increased by 8 factor when the concentration of both A and B are double, which means 2A x is equal to 2by. This is third equation. So we have to find the value of x and y to solve this question, right? So let's divide first and second equation. So divide 2 by 1 कर देते हैं. So we have 2r, it is equal to k a की power x 2b की power y divided by k b की power y. तो सॉल्व करके इसको क्या आएगा, r से r गया, k से k गया, ax से ax गया. तो इसको सिंपलेस्ट करके लिख देते हैं. 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 की पावर y और b की पावर y ओवर b की पावर y. तो ये भी गया. Then next is 2 is equal to 2 की पावर y. So y is equal to 1. So y तो हमें मिल गया. Now move to x. We have to calculate x also. So dividing the third equation by second. So what we get? What is third equation? That is 8r over divided by first करते हैं. Yeah, divided by first is equal to k 2a की power x 2b की power y divided by k y. So let's solve this equation. R से R, K से K, AX से AX and yeah, BY से BY. हमारे पास बच गया 8 is equal to 2 की power x and 2 की power y. So how are we going to solve this now? तो हमारे पास 8 is equal to 2x और 2y. We already calculate y which is equal to 1. So 8 is equal to 2x 2 की power 1. तो 8 is equal to 2 की power x. तो किसी की power 1 is 6. Now 8 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? How we can write 8? That is 2 की power 3 and 2 की power x. So what we get? X is equal to 3. तो हमारे पास x1 आ गया और x कितना आ गया 3. तो रेट कितना हो गया? रेट इज इक्वल टू k a b और b x की पावर इज 3 एंड दिस इज 1. तो हमारे पास आंसर आ गया. ओके सॉरी, आई मेड अ मिस्टेक हियर. That is 2 and a divided by 2 is 4 is equal to this. 2 की पावर 2 is equal to 2 की पावर x. तो आंसर इज x is equal to 2. ये 2 की पावर 1 is 2. तो a divided by 2 is 4 then 2 की पावर x. या अब ठीक है ये. So x is 2 and y is 1. So यहाँ पे भी हम इसको टिक कर देते हैं. That is 2. k a की पावर 2 और b की पावर 1. तो हमारे पास आ गया सॉल्व करके. ओके, मूविंग to the next question. If the first order reaction is 75% complete in 4 hours, how much time it's required to complete 87.5% of reaction? We know the formula, which is K is equal to 2.303 T log A over A minus X. So K is equal to, time is 4 hours. Let's taking it in hours. What is A? A is initial concentration is 100%. So A is also 100 and final is that is 75%. So we take 75. K is equal to 2.303 over 4 log 100 over 25. So after solving log and multiplication, we get K is equal to 0.3466 R inverse. Right. And what is given in second? How much time it takes to complete 87.5% of reaction using the same formula. 2.303 over T log A over A minus X. Time, we have to calculate it. Log, what is A here? A is 100 over 100 minus 87.5. We have already calculated K, which is this. So T is equal to 2.303 0.3466 log 100 minus 87.5 is 12.5. So after calculating it, we get around 6 hours. So time is equal to 6 hours. Very important question. This is simple. Just use the formula. Just the calculation is little bit difficult and lengthy, but the question is very simple. Just remember this formula. This formula is used for first order reaction, right? Moving to the next question. The rate of first order reaction is 0.04 in 10 seconds and 0.03 in 20 seconds. So we have to calculate the half-life, right? So we know the formula. K is equal to 2.303 over T. It is equal to log. Let's take R1 over R2. Concentration. तो हमें टाइम तो दो दे रखे हैं. which is 10 second and 20 seconds. So let's take the difference. Concentration कितनी दे रखी है हमें? That's R2 over R1, which I will write it again. R1 over R2. R1 is 0.04 and R2 is 0.03. So K is equal to, time is 20 minus 10 log 0.04 over log 0.03. So after calculating 2.303 over 10 log 0.04 over log 0.03, I'm not converting the time. So after solving this whole equation, we get 0.02876 second inverse. But the question says you have to find the half-life period of a reaction. For first order reaction, the half-life of first order is 0.693 over K. 0.693 over 76. So the answer come approximately 24 second. Right? Again, remember this formula for first order reaction for half-life. This formula is for half-life for first order reaction. And yeah, this is also the differential equation for first order reaction. Thank you.